In this video, we are going to look at 3 stocks based on option flow. Then we are going to look at the fundamental technical algorithmic and artificial intelligence. Based on the information we are going to analyze the stocks. We will be using the Traditics website to identify the 3 stocks. Please use the link below to subscribe to the website. General disclaimer, any opinions provided is general market information for educational and entertainment purposes only and do not constitute as investment advice.
We are on the Traditics website. We are going to look at 3 stocks or 3 symbols we can trade for tomorrow. Okay, so let's go to the options flow. So we're going to pick JCI. You can see it's a lot of bullish calls. IWM, which is the index, and then we are going to look at CRM. We're going to look at CRM. 20 million calls and 1.1 million puts. Okay, let's go to the first stock, JC. So we are on the first stock, JCI. It's currently at 74. It's a good fundamental stock, fundamentally good stock. There's good revenue. Let's look at support resistance. You can see it's at a support and it's bouncing off a support. So it's definitely a very bullish price action. Look at simulate. It's also projecting upward movement from here. Okay, so let's look at AI. AI is also positive. Let's look at option flow. Flow is bullish. Almost most of it is calls. Algo is bearish. Okay. You can see the only thing is open interest is below the stock price. That's kind of concerning to me. You can see the option flow. Let's see premiums. So all calls, but they're lower than strike price, lower than the stock price. It could be set up for diagonal. Let's look at open interest. Open interest is at 52, 62, like that. Okay, so here's IWM. It is at 224. Let's look at support resistance line. It's bouncing off support line and going toward the resistance line. So it's definitely there's room for from stock from here to here. So it already bounced multiple times from here. So if you look at projections, it's going upwards. Okay, so it's going to hit here before it can go to resistance. Good stock to do butterfly based on this support resistance level. Let's look at AI. AI is bullish. Let's look at the flow. Flow is bullish. Algo is bearish. Stock it at 224, and then a lot of calls on the above 225, the above. There's a lot of puts also. The index is a little tricky because there's a lot of hedging going on, so you got to be careful. So 130, 135, so a lot of long calls. Next is CRM. It has good revenue and good income, but P is a little high. So support resistance, it has probably just basically from the support has jumped up, so it could come down a little bit and then go back up again, but definitely it has touched here once and has gone up. Let's look at projections. Definitely projecting to go up. Let's look at AI. AI is 74% positive. Let's look at flow. Flow is bullish, algo is also bullish. You can see the stock is at 277, 270, 260 are the major strikes. You can see a lot of open interest, 257, 277, 282, 300, 310. A lot of calls, 270, 260, 270. So you can do a diagonal. Here we are on the trading view, and then we are looking at the weekly time frame. So you can see that from here it's been an uptrend, constant uptrend. So it's also a bullish setup. Okay. So this is a long-term pattern. We are just looking at long-term pattern. It's an uptrend. This is also this is Russell 2000 IWM. So it's basically an uptrend here. From here, in July 20th, it's an uptrend. It's going down a little bit. So it's a bullish candle here. So it's going to go up. Yes, CRM on the daily time frame. You can see it's a constant uptrend from here to here. So it's just went down here, but constant uptrend. So here also you can see it's a very highly bullish candle. It touched up here. So it's a bullish setup. It's also above all the moving averages. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and also comment on the video. Thank you.